Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Anywheel bike. To begin your journey, first download the Anywheel application from your device's app store. Once installed, register for an account using your mobile number or email address. After successful registration, open the app and use the integrated map to locate the nearest available Anywheel bicycle. There are often dozens of bikes within a 500-meter radius, making it easy to find one quickly and start your ride. This initial setup takes just a few moments. Once you've found your bike, the next step is unlocking it. Simply open the Anywheel app and scan the unique QR code located on the bike's handlebar or frame. The lock will then automatically release. Before you set off, take a moment to adjust the seat height to ensure a comfortable and safe riding position. Also, perform a quick safety check. Squeeze the brake levers to confirm they are working, and give the tires a quick visual inspection. These simple checks take less than 30 seconds. Riding safely is paramount for an enjoyable experience. Always adhere to local traffic laws and regulations, just as you would with any vehicle. It's best to ride on designated bike paths whenever possible, or on the left side of the road where permitted. For your personal safety, consider wearing a helmet, especially when navigating busy streets. Be courteous and mindful of pedestrians and other vehicles around you. Your safety and the safety of others are always the top priority. When your ride is complete, it's time to park the bike responsibly. Look for a designated Anywheel parking zone, often marked in the app, or a public bike rack. Ensure the bike is not blocking pedestrian walkways, building entrances, or vehicle traffic. To end your ride, manually push down the lever on the rear wheel to lock the bike. Finally, confirm in the Anywheel app that your ride has successfully ended. This ensures you are not charged for extra time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.